What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today me and Deangelo are going to the flea market, but first I gotta help Deangelo bring this couch up to his apartment. He actually put a couch on top of his FRS. I don't know how he did it. I'll have him explain to you how he did it, and it's pretty interesting because he had to go over the Dames Point Bridge, which is a relatively large bridge to go up to for a couch with his FRS. How you brought the couch up here, bro?
2 ratchet straps. And hope. How you doing, bro? How you doing?
He said he was going like 50 miles an hour over the bridge. So he put that couch right there on the FRS. You saved them? I'll put the snaps in the video right now.
A bit made it home, boy. Oh yeah, a bit made it home, boy. We here, boy. Boy, we here, boy. Yeah, a bit with the whole couch on top of the car bed. Never seen a bust down like this, boy.
Alright, so we just left the apartment. We put the couch up there. Now we're going to head to the flea market. I ain't been to the flea market in a couple years, so hopefully it's still as good as it used to be. So we just pulled up to the Pecan Park Flea Market, newly remodeled. We're gonna see what they got in here, because I ain't been here in a minute. Oh, they got the RCs in here. Ooh! I gotta be conspicuous because people here be selling inauthentic items, you know. So I've been needing my own fishing pole for quite some time, and this might be the place I get it from. They got fishing poles on deck. I had them. The real version.
I had these. Do not have those. Those went out when I was in the Jordans. I had the He Got Game. I had the 11. That's all I had over there. But I had those when I was like 11.
$45 a pair, bro.
You might see Jordan a little bit. This is what a Jordan was, man. Just like that. That bitch take up a whole row in the fridge.
Yeah, they got the Fortnite assault rifle, boy. What y'all trying to do? The bolt action, man?
I'm gonna bust out this shotgun, boy.
What's up, dude? The crossbow? The thermal? They got a thermal out here, man? I don't got no scar. I don't see no scar. The dog George like his picture taking, yeah. Boy, is this a vape? What is this? 3M8 vape now? Oh, that's a cleaner. That's crazy. Selling a whole vape out here, man. That's crazy. But it's not a vape. It's just screen cleaner. That's crazy.
All right, so we left the flea market now, and now we picked up Samantha. So now it's Samantha, Nicole, and Jared's back here pumping gas.
So it's been a minute since I updated the vlog. We're at Goodwill now. My mom just picked up a huge rug, so I gotta help my dad load it up on the truck, and then we're gonna go back to D and Nikki's, and we gotta put, what is it, extended studs?
Extended studs on her part today.
We gotta put extended studs on her FRS today, so we're gonna do that. That's gonna be in the vlog, so get ready for that, because that's gonna be a fun one. Somehow we're sitting in the back of an FRS. I don't know how, because I can barely sit in the back of a Genesis, but we doing it. Somehow I got behind the wheel of an FRS, so I'm about to be driving an FRS for a couple hours, and I'm glad to be driving with another FRS. D and Nikki both got FRSs, and I'm in Nikki's, so I'm gonna be driving for a little bit. So we just got to the garage where we needed to get to these moms, and we're gonna put the extended lugs on the FRS. We gotta go to Tony's house and get the jack and some jack stands, and then we'll be able to get started. So we're in an X5 or X3, I don't know which one, but it's boosted and this thing pulls, bro. Y'all gotta see this. Whenever we get through this light, we're gonna show you, but this thing pulls, bro. Seriously. Slide. That's crazy. So it turns out we just have to replace just a few, maybe like one, or not even replace them. We just probably have to clean them because one of them is rusty. So we have a bristle brush, and we're gonna try to just brush off the rust and see if that helps, and then we'll put the lug nut on and make sure it works. So this is what I'm talking about. See, if we can clean that up, we should be straight. Oh look, it's coming off. We straight. Yeah.
Oh wait, it might be that cross there up under here, I think.
Is that why it looks smaller?
Yeah.
So the thread is actually cross-threaded, so we're probably going to have to take it off. You got the caliper off, so we're just gonna take the studs out. Bro, look at this. Look at that, man. Who in their right mind thought crosswind? This looked like it was impacted cross-threaded.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I don't like impacting mine on. I refuse to impact mine on.
That's crazy. Alright, so you just got a new stud on there. Looks pretty good. It's a little short. You got extended studs on the other one, or I just got naked?
No, harder. I gotta keep tightening it.
Oh, okay. So after we put the brake caliper on, we'll be able to tighten it and pull it out a little further.
I chose a little bit of jets there.
It's wired a bit.
But I'm changing my oil. I'm forcing to use jets.
Yeah. Just like that, that's it. It literally took like 20 minutes to do that. We just had to find the right tools, and he had to find out where the bolts were in order to take the caliper off. But that was really it. He was talking about how like people usually are intimidated by doing stud swaps, but it really wasn't that hard. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next video.